Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster sauce recipe. First, you'll want to prepare your lobster meat, ensuring it's cooked and chopped into bite-sized pieces. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Add finely minced shallots and garlic, cooking until fragrant, about 1 minute. This simple start builds a fantastic flavor foundation for your delicious sauce. Now, let's build that luscious base. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour into your pan with the aromatics, stirring constantly for 1 minute to create a light roux. Slowly whisk in 1 1/2 cups of warm whole milk or heavy cream, ensuring no lumps form. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally, and let it thicken for about 3 to 5 minutes. This creates a wonderfully smooth foundation. It's time for the star ingredient. Gently fold your cooked lobster meat into the simmering sauce, ensuring it's well coated and warmed through. Season generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. This step brings all the flavors together for a truly exquisite sauce, ready to elevate any dish. Your incredible homemade lobster sauce is now ready to enjoy. It pairs perfectly with fresh pasta, steamed rice, or even as a topping for baked fish. For any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently over low heat, adding a splash of milk if needed. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.